Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to whip up a delicious banana bread recipe. Let's get started. First, mash 2 cups of bananas in a bowl. Then, add 1 cup of coconut milk, a half cup of almonds, and a dash of cinnamon. Give it a good mix. Next up, let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of brown sugar, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well until everything is combined. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add the wet ingredients to the dry mixture and stir until just combined, no need to overmix. Pour the batter into a loaf pan coated with non-stick spray. Bake your delicious loaf bread in an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 176 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes to an hour. Use a toothpick or knife to check if it's done by poking it into the center of the bread. If it comes out clean, your banana bread is ready. Enjoy this tasty treat with your favorite cup of tea or coffee. Thank you so much for joining me today in making this scrumptious banana bread recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes and tips. Happy baking, everyone!